Hi guys, I hear you are looking for a beautiful website to generate TikTok videos about any topic for free. And let me tell you something, you are in the right place because in this video I'm going to show you a wonderful website that enables you to generate tens or even 100 of social media videos using AI and completely for free. And now let's begin our today's video and head over to Google and search for something like Waxo and head over to the first result, Waxo AI video generator for social content. Click over it and here we are landing on this amazing website to post your YouTube and TikTok views. Then head over to sign up button, click over it. Following that, you are required to insert your credentials, your email and your password. And the first step here to use this amazing website completely for free to generate tens or even hundreds of your TikTok videos, you need to use a temporary email or disposable emails. So you can head over to websites like tempemail.org or emailondeck.com and so on and so forth to get a bunch of these disposable emails to use later on your Waxo.tech. So here in our case today, we can use a temp email, copy this temp email and head back to our website and insert your email and your password, confirm account. That's it. And now we are landing on your dashboard of your account on Waxo.tech. And here at the first glance, it gives you different options to create your social media videos, such as mobile video, TikTok video, YouTube short, Instagram reel, Facebook reel, X video and so on with different settings, and I'm gonna show you them shortly in this video. For example, we can begin with TikTok video. Perfect. Amazing. And here you can insert your prompt or URL of the topic you want to generate different social media videos completely for free. So here, before we're gonna go through this step, we head over to these three stripes that say settings. And here we can set some preferences according to your topic and your voiceover, your text and so on. So here we can begin with the topic of your and the theme of your videos. Either you can want your video as a bit story for children, for kids, or a day in the life as a vlog or a horror story, fun facts about animals, about human characters, about history and so on, or hidden secrets in different topics in different niches, and how-to tutorials as a guide to explain something and so on, jokes and memes, origins of quotes and sayings for motivational quotes and something like that, tips and tricks, frequently asked questions, what if it had disappeared, what or who is, and so on. So here you can find different options. You can select one of them to make it easy for you and for this AI tool to generate what you want from your social videos. So for example, we can go to fun facts, for example. Now we can navigate to the backgrounds or the theme of your AI images or AI art used on your videos. As you observe, digital art, enhance, anime, photographic, comic and so on. So here we can go and randomly we can use this one, analog film for example. Okay, and go to language. Here you can set your favorite language like English, Spanish, French and so on. So we can select English. And as for voiceover, here you can find a bunch of realistic voiceovers, starting with Eric with different emotions like normal, hopeful, friendly, sad, unfriendly, and Elsie and so on and so forth with different voice actors. So we can set it as a default one, Eric, normal, or up to you, you can turn off your voiceover. Then we can go to this, and now we can go to the text or the subtitles, the captions on your video. You can set your settings like your font, the color of your font as you want. Make it classic typewriting and so on, the presets typewriter. Perfect. And here you can select your background music. Either you can select your audio and your background music from YouTube library or from Waxo library. Anyway, you can set it as a music off. Okay, and now we can apply all these presets we have made before, and now we can click over this button apply. And here you can insert your prompt as you like. So here you can actually generate 10 different social media videos about fun facts about cats, for example. So here we can insert your prompts. Okay, and now click over this button, generate. And here in this amazing website, it gives you a free plan of 100 credits that are enough to generate 10 of your social media videos, as I did before, as I already did. And then you can change your temporary email to create a new account and to generate new 10 videos and so on and so forth, to repeat this process over and over again. So now just you can pick one of them quickly and to explore it, like this one.
Welcome to Fun Facts About Cats. Did you know that cats have a unique collarbone that allows them to always land on their feet? Cats have a wide range of vocalizations, from meows to purrs and even chirps.
Here you can find in this right panel, you can find the description of this video to use later on your social media platform like TikTok, Instagram, caption, and so on, with some relevant hashtags. And the best part here, using in YOUUTBE, here you can edit this video as you want. So here you can click over this one, edit video. And here you can change as you like from these sentences and from these informations, this script. So you can add something like in between brackets, so you can add emojis and so on. And here, as for multimedia, here you can change your theme in your video as you like. So here I use this one analog video film, so you can change it to something like a new punk, isometric, low poly, and so on. Or you can change this voiceover used in this video. You can select a different font. So I just use typewriting, so you can make it something like word by word. Okay, perfect. And now we can go back to scenes. And here, if you find something that is not very beautiful, like this image, for example, so you can change it as later by using a different platform, using AI image generator out there. And there you can find a bunch of beautiful free Midjourney alternatives. And I will leave this link down below in the description box that contains the best of these AI image generators for free, like Playground, Leonardo, Ideogram, and so on. So for example, we can go to Ideogram. Then you can ask something like a bunch or a group of cats. For example, we can make it as cinematic, okay, and make it its dimensions like this one, and generate. As you see, so we can select this one and save image as. Then go back to your YOUUTBE to change this background of this scene in particular. So click over this pen icon, uploads, and upload your image from your device, select it, accept, beautiful. Then when you're done, just you can click over this button, apply changes, and your video would be like that.
Welcome to Fun Facts About Cats. Did you know that cats have a unique collarbone that allows them to always land on their feet? Cats have a wide range of vocalizations, from meows to...
Perfect, isn't it? And of course you can do that in all your videos on this dashboard, 10 videos of fun facts about cats. And now it's time how we can download all these videos to leverage them on your platforms. If you go back to your first video, okay, here on YOUUTBE in its free plan, you can download any video to your device. So instead, you can actually use different ways to get this video. How to do that? Simply, you can use a screen recorder. Yes, you heard that right, screen recorder. And of course, you can find a plethora of different screen recorders out there for free. Like on top of them, OBS Studio. Here you can download this software for free to your Windows or your Mac. Then you can edit this video and crop it in your editing software like Filmora, DaVinci, CapCut, and so on. For a beautiful software like Rickmaster.net, that gives you a free plan of recording 2 minutes for free. And I'm gonna show you an awesome trick to get Rickmaster for free with lifetime license. You can get this one from an awesome website that is giveawaytcoupon.com. It's an awesome platform. It gives you giveaways of softwares for iPhone, Android, Windows, and so on. It gives you a free license, either 3 months, a year, or lifetime one. And as in our case today, we can look for Rickmaster. So here you can type in the search bar Rickmaster, and here you can find this one found on this platform, and it's updated as you see. So click over it. You can get the license of Rickmaster. So actually you can go through all these steps to download the software for free and register using this license code that gives you the lifetime license as you observe. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.